What's going on, guys? Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets here, and since I'm going in replacing pretty much everything in my clutch system, I'm gonna change out my pilot bearing. Even though it feels fine, I'm gonna try the bread trick to remove it. I already stuffed some in and I was like, oh, let me make a video real quick. So, piece of bread, a bolt that's almost the size of your pilot bearing, and a big old mallet. You are gonna want some electrical tape to make up for the difference. Otherwise the bread will just shoot out. But the goal here is to stuff that cavity with bread, pound it in with a bolt, and hopefully that all that force will push the bearing out. So I've never actually tried it with bread, but I don't have a puller with me, so we're gonna do the bread trick. So let's get started. Start stuffing it with bread. And I can already go ahead and tell them I need some electrical tape, so I'm gonna put a few turns on it. Working it down. See how that fills it in. A little bit better, but let's use some more. And definitely better. Alright, so I can tell the bread's starting to come out a little bit. I'm gonna hit it a few more times and then repack that in there. Put some more bread in, and I'm also gonna add another layer of electrical tape, just so the bread doesn't want to come out and that all the pressure is being pushed in. Man, you really have to hit this hard. Freaking hand's getting tired. Doesn't seem like it's wanting to go anywhere. Really hope I just didn't get a bunch of bread stuck up in there. If I can't get this out, I'll just take the flywheel off and press it out tomorrow at work, but hopefully I don't have to do that. Don't seem to be moving at all. There we go, starting to go. So, you have to use a lot more pressure. You have to hit this extremely hard, a lot more than I thought was going to be necessary. You can't hold it with one, you have to swing it with both hands. So, a few more drives and it should be out. Almost there. And there we go. Man, so for those of you out there that want to do this, it works clearly, but you have to hit it with a minimum of, a metal sledge, and you really have to whack. I wasn't expecting that you'd have to hit it that hard, but I mean, it makes sense. The bearing's pressed on. We're removing it with bread, so that's go in here, clean out the rest of the bread that got pounded up in there. But that's how to remove a pilot bearing from your flywheel with bread. Alright, so quick tip for cleaning all the bread out from the inside. You're not going to be able to get it with your hand, so get a little Allen wrench and you'll be able to put it sideways and scrape up underneath and just walk it around the inner lip and all over. Break up the bread and then scoop it out with your finger. So once it's really compacted in there, it's extremely hard to get out. But that's the easiest way I've found, and I'm still cleaning out little pieces of bread. You want to make sure you get it all out because you don't want any of this bread to work its way onto the input shaft and into the pilot bearing. You don't want to gum it up. So I'm gonna sit here for a few more minutes and dig out any more bread that I can get. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you will. Check out my other videos. Thanks. Bye.